October 1, 1958, Space Race Catalyst. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, began operations, a pivotal moment that marked a significant shift in the United States' approach to space exploration and research. Initiated by the National Aeronautics and Space Act, signed into law by President Dwight D. Eisenhower on July 29, 1958, NASA was created to direct the U.S. efforts in space exploration, distinctly as a civilian, non-military program. This development was a direct response to the Soviet Union's launch of the first satellite, Sputnik, on October 4, 1957, which had placed the U.S. at a perceived disadvantage in the emerging space race. The establishment of NASA on October 1, 1958, incorporated existing resources from the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, NACA, which had been founded in 1915. NACA brought with it not only extensive aeronautics research facilities and expertise, but also 8,000 employees and an annual budget of approximately $100 million. These resources were integral in helping NASA rapidly develop its capabilities in space technology and exploration. The agency's formation catalyzed America's involvement in the space race, seeking to challenge and surpass Soviet achievements in space. The early years of NASA were marked by significant milestones that included the launch of Explorer 1, the first successful American satellite, on January 31, 1958, and the initiation of Project Mercury, which aimed to send humans into space. These developments set the stage for a series of innovations and space missions that would eventually lead to the Apollo moon landings, fulfilling President John F. Kennedy's 1961 ambition to land a man on the moon and return him safely to Earth by the end of the decade. NASA's rapid development and expansion during this period not only addressed the technological gap revealed by Sputnik, but also fueled innovations in science and engineering that continue to influence many facets of space exploration and terrestrial technology. For enthusiasts of historical ephemera, visit history-collectors.com to find collectibles that might complement your collection. You can own a piece of history.